Alrighty folks, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. Today we got an install for you. We got a visual mod to shake and bake, in which I've done in the past, but I've just used film to do it and not the actual smoked plastic. And that is gonna be the side markers. Alright, so we got the smoked plastic side markers from Auxito. Got them sent to us, and we're gonna install them and see what they look like. So first off, let's get a before shot. So that's what she looks. I'm gonna go all the way up. That's what she looks before. Right there's the rear, and right there's the front. The front orange, the front orange, and the red in the rear. Alrighty, so let's go in here and do a quick unboxing. Alright, I'm gonna try and do this with one hand here. Let's see, how did I do it? Alright, so the packaging, the packaging is fine, right? So to be honest, I've already had these out, so so we're just doing kind of an unboxing after an unboxing. But anyway, they come in these little plastic sleeves, which is perfectly fine to protect them. And then they also come with a protective film on each of the lenses that you need to remove once you install them. So packaging, I'd say a B+, maybe a A-. In there. They could have, maybe put some bubble wrap so they don't move around in there at all, but packaging seems great. They came with no issues, no scratches, none of that on them, so they came perfectly fine. So okay for packaging. Let's get on to the install. Oh, and what you gotta make sure is I'm probably gonna get this wrong. So one set is longer than the other. So I think the rears are longer than the fronts. And then also, you gotta make sure you get them on the right side. Okay, and I'll go over that on the install. So let's go to taking these out first. So they're actually pretty easy. So what I'm gonna do is try and show you here, and I got my Procharger my Procharger stuff in the way, but if you look right down here, you can see where the little snap is, right about there. Right, that's the hook, and then the little thing you need to push is on the other end. And all you got to do is snap it out. So it looks a little something like this, if I can get it. Alright, so this is what you're looking for, this little snap piece right here. All you do is push it in and push out, wiggle it a little bit, and she comes out. Now these things they look daunting, but they're pretty easy to take apart. This red clip is a little hard to push up sometimes, and it's hard to do it one-handed. You push up the red piece, push up this red piece, and then this little inner black piece, all you got to do is push it in and pull. Boom, disconnected. Now we're going to quickly walk up here because the rain is coming. Trying to get this done before the rain comes. Grab the right light. Okay, you got to make sure they're the same length. So those are the same length. So this one goes into the front driver's side. So I'm gonna run out here real quick. All you gotta do is snap it in. Snap it in, lock it in. Okay, push the wires back up in there. As you can see, right here is where that little hook goes. You hook it right here and just snap it in. It's just that easy. Once you get the wire in there, you hook it, snap it, and you're done. That simple. So now we'll do a quick uninstall in the rear, which is a little bit easier to see. Okay, let's see if I can get you guys up under here. So now what you're looking for is, oh, I gotta get my glasses off. Right up here, right up there is the clip. I'm not sure if you guys can see where my finger is, but you just push that in, click it out, and it's just like the front. Wiggle it, just jiggle it a little bit, and it pops out. Same thing, same clip, same exact clip. Push up on the red one, push in on the black, and it just comes apart. Boom. All right, we'll run and get the back side. All right, here's the back side. And the install is just the same as the front. Super, super easy. Come in here. Do the plug. Do the plug. Push this red down until it clicks. Wiggle it just a little bit. And the same thing. You hook it down here in the end and snap it in. And that's it. I know the car is dirty. I just came from the track last night. I know the car is dirty. We just came from the track. But let's go ahead and get a step back and get an after view. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and turn the lights on now. And give you a shot of what they look like in the day. That's what they look like in the day. Just like that. All right, we're gonna put the stock ones back in and get a shot of those before and after, and then we'll do it in the dark. Alrighty folks, as you see, it's dark outside. I actually turned on the light, so I'm gonna wait a minute, wait for that light to go out. I'm gonna show you the stock ones with the lights on, and then I'll show you the Auxito darken lights. So stay tuned. All right, so there is the stock lights as that car comes stock. Let's see if I cannot trip my lights on, and we'll come over to the passenger side and we'll look at, and there is the Auxito lights. As you can see, there are two rows. I'll get up close. There's two rows of LEDs. In the yellow in the front, and two rows of LEDs in the back. So I'm gonna trip the light now so y'all can see me. But hey, they're really nice. I think they're a great addition to Shake and Bake. They make a huge, small modification to make a huge impact in the looks. You can see it in the daylight, right? It makes a big difference. I like the darkened ones. It just gives it, you know, it goes with the rest of the car. You know, you tint your windows and everything else, right? But I definitely recommend them. They're a good buy. I can't remember exactly how much they were, but Auxito, they also have all kinds of other lights. They've got headlights, side lights, tail lights, all kinds of lights, interior lights, you know, the whole gambit of lights. So if you're looking for lights and looking for, you know, to make a little impact, visual impact on your vehicle, go ahead and check out Auxito, and link in the description. Also, there's an affiliate link for me. If you use that link, I'd highly appreciate it. But that's going to do it for this one, folks. If you're stopping in for the first time, please check out the rest of the channel. If you like what's going on with the rest of the channel, do me those few things. Like, subscribe, smash a bell, shoot me a comment, share it on your social media. I'll definitely appreciate it. Shake and Bake definitely appreciate it, because every red penny from YouTube goes right back into Shake and Bake. That's it for this one, folks. Till next time, adios.